Hi, my name is Taco Potse. I'm Development Director at GoalGorilla. Development Director means I'm in charge of all the development projects, that are dozens every year, that we do at GoalGorilla. GoalGorilla is a digital creative agency. We build complex platforms, software platforms, communities, application, e-commerce solutions for a wide range of clients. We've been doing this for 8 years, and the last 3 years we've really been focusing on social software. Social software is software that helps organizations organize themselves, share knowledge, get more people in the network involved, and pushing their organizations into the 21st century. So our turnover this year will be over 1.2 million with an almost 20% margin. We're doing really well, but we're just working as an agency right now, working for other clients, and we really see a big opportunity in making a social business product. A product that we've been working on for many years already. Scale this into the cloud so clients can buy it not just one-off, so we can not just work for a few clients, but we can work for dozens or 100 clients all over the world together. So this is your chance to participate in a company that has the potential benefits of a startup, but you do not run the risks of a startup. So what is this social business software exactly? Well, we help organizations to organize themselves and to organize in their network around them. It's like a Facebook, but then for companies. And for example, we've been working with Greenpeace International to connect their organization with their 30,000 plus volunteers all over the world. And this was a major platform that changed the way that Greenpeace is doing business. Instead of top-down, where they organize events and people are helping them, they turn their entire organization around and let the network of 30,000 volunteers organize events all over the globe and have Greenpeace help them organize these events. But our software is not just for big organizations, it's also, for example, for smaller businesses or for cities, as the city of Deventer, where we help them to connect local business owners with a platform where they can communicate with each other and hire people with a disadvantage. Doing so, we've made sure that hundreds of people with disabilities got a job. So our platform is not just for one single purpose, it's a multi-purpose platform that can help people to share knowledge, attract more business, or to interact with their stakeholders around the company. So on this page you see a lot of information, documents, this video, which is of course very important, but sometimes you just want to feel what this end product will be like. We made a prototype for you. It runs on social.goalgorilla.com. It's just a concept that's based on our Greenpeace International platform, but at least it will give you the feeling of what our general platform will look like. We're now in the phase of designing and creating this platform in the new version, Drupal 8. But please check out the prototype so you get a feel of what it does. And this prototype is completely responsive as well, so it works on your smartphone, your tablet and your desktop. So check out the link here. Important to understand, we're not the first ones or the only ones that launch a social business software. It's quite successful. Thousands of companies already use this software, but our software is different in terms of especially its flexibility. And it's flexible because it's open source. That means you're not stuck to our organization or to our software as a service platform. You can actually take the platform out of the platform, run it where you want, run it how you want, connect it to any service that you want. And this gives you the flexibility that none of our competitors can give you. The second most important thing is the data ownership. Right now, people are very worried about how is my data, where's my data hosted, who has access to this data, especially when working with big companies as Google or Amazon. So what we do is we give you the flexibility hosting the platform where you want. For example, you can host it in a German data center where data ownership and your privacy is much better guaranteed than currently in the United States. And this makes sure that also, for example, governments can use the platform to host it for very specific needs. And last but not least, our software has a huge community behind it. So where other teams with proprietary software, that's really licensed software, work with a team of dozens or maybe 100 developers, we have thousands of Drupal developers behind us. Maybe not in this room, but we can connect with them online. We're always in touch with them. We meet them in the Netherlands, in the United States, basically everywhere on the globe. And they're very enthusiastic, helping us to push that platform forward. So we don't have just a few developers, we have dozens, hundreds, thousands of developers that will help us scale this project.
About the market size, the social network space is growing rapidly. In 2014 it's estimated to be $1.4 billion in size. The next couple of years it's going to accelerate. So we see a compounded growth rate around 20% each year. This means that social business networks and online communities will reach a total market size of $4.7 billion at the end of 2019. This obviously also means there is competition. We describe our unique advantages above our current competitors in our competition section on our page, so be sure to have a quick look at those. It's about sales and marketing of our product. Selling and early is important to validate the business model and to get early customer feedback. First, we're already talking to launching customers who are interested in our enterprise software in 2016. We can share details of this in private and after signing an NDA. Second, I personally have 10 years of experience in online marketing and my team knows and understands conversion rates, upgrading a freemium customer to a paying customer and all kinds of important details when applying a data-driven marketing strategy. So our main channels for our software as a service product will be organic search and paid advertising through Google AdWords.
Creating effective teams in a growing company is a big challenge. I implement workflows that maximize productivity and keeps teams happy. As a certified Scrum Master, I work closely with both the client and the development team in order to deliver our products in time and of course in budget. For anybody involved in project management, it's very interesting to shift to an agile working method. I recommend reading a few bits through the link on our crowdfunding page, the Agile Manifesto.
So when we say that you have the potential benefits of a startup, a scalable cloud solution, but not the downside of a startup, we mean that we already have an organization. So you're buying into an existing organization that's doing really well. We have a skilled team that is used to build projects for clients. So they need to deliver on time, they need to deliver in budget, and they need to deliver according to the expectations of these clients. And that means that we at GoalGorilla are really the party to build this project, and we can deliver this project. And you know, we always have our client work that works for us. So you do have the benefits of a startup. But even if this project will not become a huge success in terms of a global rollout, we can just sell it to our existing clients. We can sell it in the Netherlands, we can sell it in Europe. So it's really a stable investment. So this is the best time for this investment. We've shown that we can deliver the projects. We've shown that we can make award-winning software. We have a team that's highly skilled. And last but not least, Drupal 8 is launching as we speak. So this is really the time to start building this Drupal 8 platform, to take this momentum of Drupal 8, to take the opportunity where there's no other Drupal social platform out there yet. So we do have first movers advantage, and we do have the team ready to start building as soon as we have this funding round complete. So, I hope you're interested by this pitch. We're trying to raise at first €150,000 with 7.5% equity that we want to share. If this is a success, we will increase the campaign to 200,000 with a 10% equity share. These shares will give you a 5% dividend, but most important, in the next 3 years we will try to give you a 300% return on investment. The exit for this will be a new investment rounds, because if this is a success, this €200,000 investment is just the start of the project. So either we will try to get more investors, more professional investors on board, and they will buy you out, or we will start selling the platform and get enough money so we ourselves can buy you out. And our plan is to do this within the next 3 years with a 300% return on investment.